So good morning, everyone. Tell me, guys, is there any specific question from 3.1 or 3.2, 3.3, 3.4? No question?
No.
Is there any question or not? Just let me know.
No, sir.
No. Okay. So no issue. There will be no question. No issue. Duplication of matrices per scalar. Just a second, guys. I will discuss this property, okay, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Okay, I'll discuss that later. Okay, I will take one, or I think I will take next lecture for that. So don't worry about the properties. Okay, I'll take separately that. कि कौन से केस में कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी वैलिड है नहीं है. I'll take that. बहुत नीचे है. So 3.4 is here. So I think, are you saying that कि सारा क्वेश्चन हो गया? Then no issue. Okay. हम लोगों ने भी इनके क्वेश्चंस कर लिए थे. So we'll first look at that miscellaneous now. 3.4 is there. This is the miscellaneous. So you have to try the example. If you are not get that example, then let me know. I'll solve that. I'll switch to the exercise. Okay. So what we have here, the first, second, third question is totally based on the some PMI concept, the principle of mathematical induction. Okay. तो वो हमें करना है. But before that, these are the lengthy question. So listen, first write down the homework, guys. The first 5 question, question 1 to question 5 for the miscellaneous, you have to try at your home. First 5 question you have to try at your home. Clear with this? And the next lecture you have to ask the question from this five question. Okay, ये 5 क्वेश्चन से आपको क्वेश्चन करना है. इसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं अभी करवाने वाला हूँ. Okay, like the question number first, I'll solve that question. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट जो है वो मैं सॉल्व करके आपको बताऊंगा क्या है. 2-3 क्वेश्चन तो मैं भी कर दूंगा और 2-3 क्वेश्चन आपको मैं घर के लिए होमवर्क के लिए आपको देने वाला हूँ. तो आप उनको घर पे ट्राई कीजिए. These are the lengthy question. Okay. So what is the question here? We have let a equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, let a equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. So that ai plus ba to the power n, ai plus b a to the power n is equal to a to the power n I plus, okay, n a to the power n minus 1 ba. We have to prove this. Okay, what do we have to prove? हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि ai plus ba का to the power जो n होगा that will be basically equal to a to the power n into I plus, okay, n into a to the power n minus 1 into ba. Okay, ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Little bit confusing, but don't worry. But I, the identity matrix of order 2 or n belongs to natural number. So a is given and we have to prove this. Everyone look at here, very very important. तो क्या दिया है? Basically prove that करना है ना. So we have to prove that. What do we have to prove that? कि the ai plus ba to the power n is equal to a to the power n I plus n a to the power n minus 1 into ba. We have 2 methods to solve this question. Okay, I will follow the simplest one so that you will get it easily. Now if you look at the here small a, b, okay, n, small a, b, and n. These are the what? These are the numbers basically. These are the numbers, or you can say that is scalar. ये सारे क्या हैं? Scalar हैं. But when we talk about the capital A, okay, or if you talk about the I, this is the basically matrix. This is the what? Matrix or matrices. Clear with this, guys? Is there any problem? Understood? इतना पार्ट समझ में आया? A, B, N क्या है यहाँ पे? A और I क्या है? Just let me know yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you want to prove this now, then don't solve for the N. You can't evaluate. N के लिए आप solve ही नहीं कर पाओगे. बहुत ज़्यादा complicated हो जाएगा. पहले फिर आपको क्या बोलते हैं? P of K, फिर बहुत लंबा मेथड जाएगा. ओके. और आपको अभी तक मैं नहीं बताया वो मेथड. मैं तो बेसिक चीज बताता हूँ. यदि ये इक्वेशन n के लिए वैलिड होगा तो n इक्वल टू 1 के लिए भी वैलिड होगा. n बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर बोला है ना. Means this equation should be valid for n equal to 1. This equation should be valid for n equal to 2. This equation should be valid for n equal to 3. Arjun, are you getting all this? कि यदि इक्वेशन n के लिए वैलिड, n पावर के लिए वैलिड होगा तो मैं 1 पावर के लिए भी बोल सकता हूँ वैलिड होना चाहिए. मैं ये भी बोल सकता हूँ n के जगह 2 के लिए भी वैलिड होना चाहिए. Means if I will take 2 here, if I will take n equal to 2 here, I will get 2 here, I'll get 2 minus 1 here. Okay. If I prove that कि 1 और 2 के लिए वैलिड है, तो हम वहां से जनरलाइज कंडीशन और सिमिलर वे में लिख सकते हैं कि n के लिए भी वैलिड होगा. यस. सो फर्स्ट आई विल टेक लेट n इक्वल टू, और हम ऐसा करेंगे कि टेक n इक्वल टू 1. n इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1. व्हेन यू टेक n इक्वल टू 1, तो लेफ्ट साइड आपका कितना हो जाएगा? टेल मी लेफ्ट साइड. लेफ्ट साइड विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? a, guys, ai plus ba. Now I'll find out the value of this ai plus ba. A is the constant. What is the I? I is 1 0 0 1. Okay, plus b is a constant. And what is a? It is given here 0 1 0 0. So if I add this, or if I multiply first this, I'll get a 0 0 a. And if I multiply b with this, तो ये b सब एलिमेंट से जाकर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. So this is a 0, b, then 0 0. Clear? And if I talk about the RHS, what is the RHS? n की जगह 1 रख दो, कितना आ जाएगा? We will get ai plus n टाइम n की जगह कितना है? 1 है. Yes, 1. a to the power कितना हो जाएगा? a to the power 0 into ba. Means basically we will get what here? The a I plus a to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into ba only. And we have the value of ai plus ba. That is basically कितना आया हमको? यदि इनका वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट करें तो कितना आ जाएगा? Addition will be the a, the b, ab 0a. So I can write on the RHS. We will get for the n equal to 1 as what? A, b 0a. Clear with this? Now take n equal to 2. Take n equal to 2, and we have to prove that if you take n equal to 2, then what you have to prove that? We have to prove that the LHS will get here. If you take n equal to 2, that will be ai plus ba whole square. ai plus ba whole square. Can we write on ai plus ba whole square is basically equal to ai plus ba times ai plus ba. And do we have the value of ai plus ba, guys? Yes or no? Yes, we have the value of ai plus ba here. Okay, I will put that value. Okay, there is no need to find out again. Okay, so you can put the value there. So we can write on the a b 0 a times the same term, the a b 0 a. Okay, and if you multiply this, listen, I am following this method. Okay, this is the basic method. और रीजन इसके पीछे ये है कि आप लोगों को अभी तक पीएमआई सिखाया नहीं गया है. तो इफ आई डील विद द पीएमआई कांसेप्ट, यू विल नॉट गेट टू दैट. तो अभी आपको बेसिक मेथड में सिखा रहा हूँ जिससे आपको एकदम पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. तो अभी यदि मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो a into 0, sorry, a into a is a square, then b into 0 is 0. So I'll get here a square. The first row, second column, then ab plus ab will get 2ab. Okay, then second row, first column, so 0 and then again you will get 0 here, 0 into 0. The second row, second column, 0 and a square here. Clear? So this is your LHS for the n equal to 2. Now, if we talk about the RHS part, what will be the RHS? Put n equal to 2 there. So we'll get here a square times I plus n के जगह कितना रखना है? 2 रखना है. Yes. A to the power how much? 2 minus 1. Okay. Into B into A. Now, if you solve this, you will get a square into I plus 2. 2 to the 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2a b into capital A. Okay. Now, if I calculate this matrix, so a square will be as it is. After that, I can take the identity matrix as 1 0 0 1. दिख रहा है ये identity है ना, इसका जगह 1 0 0 1 रखेंगे. And after that, I will take plus 2ab और whatever the a matrix के जगह कितना रखूंगा मैं? What I have to put in the place of a matrix, guys? A is given, yes. A is given 0 1 0 0. Look at the question. A is given 0 1 0 0. I'll put here 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now further, if you solve this, so can we say that I'll get from here, I'll get a square 0 0 a square. Okay. And from here I'll get plus 2ab. यदि multiply करोगे कितना आ जाएगा? You will get 0 here. Here you will get 2ab. What about here? 0 and 0. And the finally you will get from there कितना आ जाएगा आपको? Can anyone? Sri, can you tell me what I'll get final answer as? A square.
A square
0.
2ab 0 a square.
Yeah, 0 and the a square. Now look at the left side and right side. Both are equal here. Okay, so here also I can conclude that at this point or at this for n equal to, I can write on LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, again I can write on LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS for n equal to guys for 2. Now it is possible that if the calculation is easy, then calculate for the n equal to 3 also. Then you can generalize it. So take now n equal to 3. If you take n equal to 3, now you tell me कितना आ जाएगा n equal to 3 पे? n equal to 3 पे you will get LHS equal to the AI plus BA to the power 3. Can I write on this is equal to basically the AI plus AI. There's no need to write on the yeah, I can write on AI plus BA whole square, okay, into the AI plus BA. Okay, clear with this? Now tell me what is AI plus BA whole square?
AI plus BA into AI plus BA.
No, it is given already, bacha. Now we calculated from here. Yes, we calculated AI plus BA whole square, so there is no need to find out again. Am I clear? So can
Yes.
I put in the place of AI plus BA whole square as this, the a square, then 2ab, then 0, then a square, and instead of writing this AI plus BA, instead of this, okay, I'm selecting a different color here, just a second. So I wrote this part as this, and look at this part is already given. What is this part? AI plus BA, it is given here. So A, B, 0 and A. Now if you multiply this, you will get the final product as the first row, first column as A cube, first row, first column as the A cube, and guys अब बताइए आगे कितना होगा? Yes, A cube, first row, second column, that is first row, second column.
Square B plus 2A square B.
So A square B plus 2A square B means 3A square B. Yes, 3A square B. Okay, now after that, second row, first column has 0 and 0. So you will get again 0. The second row, second column, that is a 0 and the A into A cube. If you follow the pattern, तो आपको एक पैटर्न मिल रहा है. देखो पावर जब 2 था ना, n का वैल्यू 2 तो a square 2a भी आया था. पावर 3 है तो कितना है a क्यूब और 3a² भी आएगा। पावर यदि 4 होगा तो बताओ a टू द पावर 4 b टू द पावर 4 3a² b, यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा b²। इस तरह से आपको एक पैटर्न को फॉलो किया जाएगा। और इट डजंट मैटर दैट, आई विल नॉट गो इनटू दैट पैटर्न। ओके, हम बेसिक चीज से समझेंगे। नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द आरएचएस? आरएचएस कितना हो जाएगा? इफ यू पुट n इक्वल टू 3 देन यू विल गेट a क्यूब इनटू i प्लस 3 टाइम्स ऑफ n की जगह कितना रखूंगा? आई विल पुट n इक्वल टू 3 then a to the power 3 minus 1 as a 2. Okay, and what about the b will be as it is, and after that we will get a. Now put, so a cube, what is the identity matrix? That is 1 0 0 1. Okay, plus 3a square b into what is the a matrix? That is a 0 1 0 0. Okay, the finally we'll get here, from here we'll get a cube 0 0 a cube. Okay, then plus, okay, and if you multiply this you will get 0 3 times of a square b. Okay, 0 and the 0. Yes, now if you add this you will get the same matrix as LHS, that a cube 3 times of a square b, just a second, 3 times of a square b, then jaldi batao, I'll get 0, after that I'll get a cube.
A cube.
So can we say that here कि LHS is equal to RHS? So we can say that for n equal to, we can say that for n equal to 1, 2, 3, the relation, the equation is true, so that it will be true for n also. Okay, means ये जो आप रिलेशन डिफाइन किए, तो आप देखो ये वाला जो आपका इक्वेशन है, दैट्स दिस इक्वेशन इज वैलिड फॉर 1 2 एंड 3, मतलब तीनों के लिए वैलिड है, किसी में फेल नहीं किया। इनका मतलब ये इक्वेशन किसके लिए होगा? n के लिए वैलिड होगा, and also so that, or it implies that, or you can like this. Okay, valid for n also, and you can write down that implies कि ai plus ba to the power, ai plus ba to the power n is must be equal to a to the power ni. Okay, plus n a to the power n minus 1 into b into a. Okay, and you can write down here proved. So this is the basic method to prove this. Okay, we have the another method. I'll deal this question, okay, later when I'll discuss that part, what is his name, the PMI, okay, principle of mathematical induction. That time I'll deal with this. But right now, with any type of question, you will get another concept of which based on the n के पे रहेगा, और n के बारे में आप प्रूफ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, then you prove for the 1 2 and 3, you will get the answer. Okay, और उसके बाद आप easily conclude कर सकते हो. Everyone clear with this? Look at the question number 2. It is also basically based on the same principle. Okay, this is the a to the power n, this is the in the matrix. Okay, it is not there, but it is in the matrix. Okay, so what we have to do here, guys? First we have to prove for, and this is here the belongs to. Okay, it is the missing here, n belongs to. First you have to prove for
n equals 1.
n equal to 1, then you have to prove for n equal to 2, and then you have to prove for n equal to 3. If you prove n equal to 1 2 3, तो आप देखो यहाँ पे a to the power n, a कैसे निकालेंगे? पहले a निकालेंगे, तो n की जगह कितना मैं लिखूंगा? n की जगह कितना लूंगा? 1, तो इधर कितना हो जाएगा? There the all everywhere there the minus. Okay, everywhere there the minus, everywhere there the minus, ये मिसिंग है थोड़ा सा. So if you put n equal to 1 here, मतलब आपको इधर क्या लेफ्ट साइड में मिलेगा? a मिलेगा, और इधर कितना मिलेगा? 1 minus 1, और 3 to the power 1 minus 0 ना, 0 3 to the power 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 0 and 3 to the power 0. What you will get? Any number, any constant to the power 0 is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Is it your a or not? ये a आपका है या नहीं है? Yes, this is a. Yes, this is your a. So I get from a here. Okay, मतलब आप n equal to 1 के लिए वैलिड होगा. सर हाउ कैन वी प्रूव फॉर n इक्वल टू 2? आप जब n के जगह 2 रखोगे तो आप यहां से 2 यदि पुट करोगे कितना आएगा? इफ यू पुट n इक्वल टू 2 हियर, 2 minus 1 कितना होगा? यू विल गेट मैट्रिक्स आज 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. यस, तब सर a square, this is the right side, I'll get the right side as a 3 3 3 3, but how can we get the a square? So do we have a here? Can we find out the a square? That is the a into a. Are you following me?
Yes.
Okay, so you can calculate the a square. Still, if you have any doubt regarding the question number 2, okay, मुझे solve करना चाहिए क्या? Guys, should I solve this? Will you try? जल्दी बताओ, किसी को लग रहा है कि I have to solve, I'll solve. Anyone can ask, okay? ऐसा कोई नहीं कि अच्छा स्टूडेंट नहीं बोल रहा है तो हम भी नहीं बोलेंगे, not like that. Am I audible properly?
Sir, it's easy, so it's fine.
Okay, it is easy, fine. And still, if you got any if you will get any confusion, then मुझे पूछ लो, कोई तकलीफ नहीं, मैं बता दूंगा. तो उसके लिए आपको नहीं सोचना है ज्यादा. Question number 3 is based on the same property. Okay, you have to prove for the n equal to 1, 2, 3 and the same. ठीक है. तो अभी हम लोग मूव करेंगे. This is the homework. 2 and 3 is the homework. The first okay, मैं already cover कर चुका हूँ. Now you choose any one of the question. Question number 4 or 5. I'll solve today. 4 or in between 4 and 5 कोई एक क्वेश्चन मैं करूंगा. बताइए. जल्दी बताइए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and 5 में से कौन सा क्वेश्चन आपको टफ लग रहा है? The 5 is also here. It is given. No, the 5. Let me know, guys.
5 is 5 harder.
Okay, 5. Okay, now what is the question? The 5. Show that the matrix B dash A B is symmetric or skew symmetric according to, and the A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Listen, whenever you will get the symmetric or skew symmetric, if X is symmetry, what is the concept? If X is symmetry, क्या concept है?
X equals
X transpose equal to X. Yes, if X is symmetry, then X transpose equal to X. Now second, if X is skew symmetry, anyone from girl side? Can anyone? If X is skew symmetry from girl side, guys.
X transpose is equal to negative of X.
Exactly, X transpose equal to negative of X. That is basically the skew symmetry. Now, what do we have to prove? That we have to prove that the given matrix, this matrix will be the skew symmetric matrix or symmetric matrix, depends on according to the A is symmetric or skew symmetric. If A is a symmetric, okay, then this matrix will be symmetric. If A is a skew symmetric, then this matrix will be the word skew symmetric. The first I'll choose, okay, the first I'll consider A is symmetric matrix. A is symmetric matrix. If A is a symmetric matrix, that implies A transpose equal to A. Yes, guys, I want a full participation in this. Okay, then you will get to know.
yes, sir.
Now, if you have this, then what we have to prove? We have to prove that this is a symmetry or skew symmetry. So if you want to prove Anil sir is a symmetric matrix, then what you have to do? Then you have to take transpose of Anil sir. Clear with this concept? If you want to prove anything as a the skew symmetric or symmetric, please take the transpose. If you got, or if you will get the transpose of that matrix as the same, means if you take the transpose of Anil sir and if you are getting the same term or same चीज आ रहा है आपको Anil sir ही मिल रहा है, means that is what means you can conclude that Anil sir is a symmetric matrix. The simple thing here, so that the matrix this is a symmetric or a skew symmetric according to this. So I'll consider first A is a symmetric matrix. We have to prove that this is a symmetric. So if I want to prove this is a symmetric, what is the first step that we have to follow, guys?
Take the transpose.
Take the transpose. The B dash A B, we have to take the transpose of this. Okay. Now, how can I take the transpose? कितना होगा? The sense we have one property here, if you want to take the AB transpose, what is the AB transpose or XY transpose? Don't merge with the X AB, take XY. What will the XY transpose? Y transpose X transpose. So can I choose? Can I choose this is R X and this is RY? So can I write on the first AB transpose into B transpose transpose? Yes or no? X transpose. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is AB transpose?
Yes.
AB transpose. There are the two matrices, the multiplication. Can we write on AB transpose? Basically, B transpose, A transpose. Okay, AB transpose, B transpose, A transpose. And what is the B transpose to the transpose? That is a B. Yes. Now, can I write on this is the B dash B transpose, and instead of the A transpose, this is the important step. This B transpose is basically the same. Yeah. What about the A transpose? I will take the A and I will write on B here. Why? Since what? A is
equal
symmetric.
to
A is symmetric matrix. I consider. Okay. पहले भी देख लो थोड़ा सा. A को मैंने क्या consider किया है? A is symmetric matrix. That's why I'll choose A dash equal to A. And what you got here, well, guys, B dash AB. If suppose this is your Anil sir, and if you take the transpose of that, and you will get the same thing, it means that can I from here, so that can I say that B dash AB is symmetric matrix? Cool. Everyone got this concept?
Yes.
Now, if I choose, consider A is skew symmetric matrix. That implies A transpose should be equal to minus A, or A transpose, take this A dash. A transpose should be equal to minus A. So, and what is the method? If you want to prove the Anil sir is symmetry or skew symmetry, in the both the cases, what you have to take, the first step that you have to follow will be the transpose. So I consider A is a skew symmetric matrix, and I have to prove this is a skew symmetric matrix. I will take the transpose first. So B dash, just a second, guys. B dash A B transpose. Okay, give me a second. Okay. So we'll get here B transpose, B transpose A B transpose. Canada, that will be equal to again the same XY wala concept. Yes, I will take this as a X and this as a Y. So I will have to write on A B transpose. Okay, and after that I have to take the B transpose and that uska bhi transpose lena padega. Okay, now after that, what is A B transpose? That is a B transpose A transpose into B transpose transpose is B. But what is the B transpose? What is A transpose? A transpose is minus A. I'll take this as a minus A here into B. And can I write on the final here that is the B transpose A B transpose is basically will get minus times of B transpose AB. Yes or no? And if you got the X transpose equal to minus X, it means that X is a skew symmetric matrix. So from here, can we say that so that B transpose AB is skew symmetric skew symmetric matrix, and we proved here it will follow according to A is a symmetric or A is a skew symmetric. If A will be symmetric, that will be the symmetric. If A will be the skew symmetric, that will be the skew symmetric. Clear with